a few ways in which the stage has really been set to provide optimal conditions for viruses to thrive. And firstly, if we look at the state of viruses themselves, they have been very cleverly designed and they have evolved to adapt to their host environment. So that's why we're sort of seeing more and more drug resistance. We're seeing old viruses that we thought were conquered making comebacks. We're seeing viruses act more and more like stealth pathogens, really being able to effectively hide from our immune system. Sort of lying in wait for opportune times to reactivate. The benefit of using broad spectrum antivirals is that these herbs are effective against a wider range of viruses. So, number one, you don't necessarily have to know what the patient has been infected with, or if the patient is impacted by a number of viruses, which can be the case, particularly with the number of latent viruses reactivating. Then a broad spectrum antiviral will cover more bases, whereas a narrow spectrum antiviral is more targeted. So it's not less strong, it's just more specific. So it's just much better prescribed when you know the type of virus that you're dealing with. Japanese knotweed, so Polygonum cuspidatum. And when we're looking at Japanese knotweed, we could really talk about Japanese knotweed all day. There is so much to say about this amazing plant. And I think many of us utilize Japanese knotweed because it is so rich. It's one of the richest sources of resveratrol. So when you think about all the actions of resveratrol, you can apply these to Japanese knotweed. But Japanese knotweed shouldn't just be condensed to its resveratrol content. It has so many other amazing constituents